Good morning, everybody. This is what I woke up to this morning. Actually, this is in Spearfish, South Dakota. Check out all this snow. There's actually no travel advised. You can see why. I just spent like half an hour trying to get through a side street where I was stuck like most of the time. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I was gonna make it. It's crazy. Not what you'd expect to wake up to towards the end of May, that's for sure. Holy smokes. Go down Main Street here. This is Main Street, Spearfish. Crazy. It's crazy. Look at this. Absolutely incredible. Oh, look at all that on top of that building there. Snowbanks. Yeah. I'm over it. I am so sick and tired of gray skies and snow, but I guess we'll take it, huh? Lots of moisture. Lots of green grass, lots of pretty flowers and trees budding out. Should be nice when we finally get some summer. All right, just want to show you what's going on in my neck of the woods. It's been like this for like 2 weeks now. Well, just nothing but rain and off and on snow showers. Like, honestly hate it here. I don't want to be here anymore. Like, my goal is to be out of this by next year. Someplace nice and warm where we get sunshine every day. No more of these gray skies. It just gets like, the skies are just like this all the time. Gray. Who wants to live in this shit? I don't know, it's so pretty here, but my God, if you have to deal with this weather, for Pete's sake. There's an update from Spearfish, South Dakota. Peace out.